Today is my dad's birthday. Lock in. We're floating $700. If you've been trading for a while and anybody tells you they have not been on a losing streak, they're lying straight to your face. We'll see if this sparks a love for watches for him. Okay, so we have secured the package here, the big Rolex. I've actually never bought or seen a Rolex box ever in my entire life because nobody's ever bought me a Rolex.
Wait, this the one you sent me?
Huh? Say hi to the camera.
Say hi.
Yours ticking?
No,
Yep.
mine don't tick.
It's ticking.
No, it doesn't. Do you know what ticking looks
Oh,
like?
it
It looks like
don't.
this.
Yeah, yours
That's
don't
ticking.
either.
Yeah.
Yeah, I did that.
Dang, what's wrong with you? Welcome back to another day in the life. Today's gonna be an absolutely freaking crazy day. I'm gonna be doing something today that I feel like a lot of people would love to do for their parents. So today is my dad's birthday. He's turning 50 years old. Me and my wife want to buy him a nice gift. And my dad is like, he's kind of like me, where he doesn't really like things. You know what I'm saying? He doesn't really have like these vices where he likes cars or clothes or none of that stuff. He recently was talking about watches to me and saying how certain watches are not considered watches, they're considered timepieces and all that different type of stuff. You guys know I'm trying to get into watches. I've personally never bought myself a watch. My wife bought me this Cartier watch for Christmas. If y'all watched my last video, y'all saw that. I've never bought myself a watch before, but I think I'm gonna buy my dad a watch today. I'm gonna go to a jeweler of mine, someone that I know that's helped me with a couple other things that I bought my wife. He has a couple of Rolexes, so we're gonna go in the store, look at some Rolexes, see if I buy myself or buy my dad a Rolex. So let's get this started. All right, so this morning I ended up taking two trades. I took an NG trade, which hit TP2, stopped right off of TP1, ended up closing it out a little bit in profit, so didn't get to make the full profit on there because it reversed. And then I took another trade on NQ, a small trade with one of the coaches inside the inner circle, and that one really just reversed. I ended up losing like 400 on it or whatever. But a setup that we were waiting for and that I talked about on the live call with my inner circle. Lock in. I locked in. I made it. Anyways, imagine a cop just pulls up behind me. A trade I was looking for, waiting for all morning. Right now it's 11 o'clock, but I was waiting for this all morning on ES. Just happened. Right now we're floating $700 in profit. Plan here is for this trade to hit full TP by the time we get to this jeweler, so that I can make all the money to pay for this watch. That's the ideal world. Now, will that actually happen? It's 28 minutes until we get to the jeweler. Will this trade hit in 28 minutes? Will it hit at all? The world may never know. I was actually just talking to Brian, which is my videographer, about this though. He asked if I ever went on a losing streak. If you've been trading for a while and anybody tells you they have not been on a losing streak or they've never went on a losing streak, they're lying straight to your face. Now, I had a pretty bad losing streak like 3 weeks ago where I was on like a 5, can't remember, you know, I try and block it out of my mind. It's like a 5 or 6 trade. No, it was 5 trade losing streak. When you go on those type of losing streaks, it can be very detrimental to your confidence as a trader. Because you know, me, especially being in more so the limelight or having a following on social media, you get called a scammer every 2 seconds. And usually I just brush it off because I don't care if I get called a scammer as long as the withdrawal hits, right? It doesn't really affect me, but then when you have these losing streaks, you start thinking in the back of your mind like, dang, maybe I do suck at trading, or maybe I ran out of luck or something like that when it comes to my trading. But just having to stay disciplined enough, and this is for everybody that has been trading and might be on a losing streak right now or has experienced one, you just have to realize, first of all, zoom out. Because when I zoomed out and looked at my trading journal over the past month versus just looking at those 5 trades, I saw that I was still profitable on the month, so I wasn't technically losing money. I'd lost some money and it felt bad in that week or the 2 weeks, but overall I was still green on the month, a pretty decent amount. So when you zoom out, it helps a lot. And then also realizing that things like this happen, because literally the week after or 2 weeks after, I've been on an 8 win streak since then. So obviously the comeback was pretty nice. Keep in mind, I don't know if y'all know, but I have a whole other channel that I'd suggest y'all subscribe to. It's called Joovier's Trades. I literally post every single trade I take, the amount of money I make, the amount of money I lose, no matter if I win or lose a trade, I post every single trade. I do a breakdown of it because I feel like it's important for you guys to, or for someone to get the ability to be behind the eyes of a profitable trader and be able to see all their trades, their wins, their losses, everything, and why they took these trades. I feel like me as a inexperienced trader in the beginning, it would have helped out a lot to have something like that or a channel that I can go to and really see how the trading process goes from a profitable trader's perspective. So yeah, the channel is called Joovier's Trade. You should just be able to look it up. But you can see literally every single time I take a trade, at the end of the day, I'll make a recap of all the trades I took, how much I risked on each trade, how much I made on each trade, went to break even, all the different type of stuff. Let's see if this trade here hits, or if I'll be posting a trade recap of me losing this trade right before having to spend all this money at the dealership. But right now it's looking pretty decent, up 850. We need a little bit more volume in here to hit that number so we can actually pay for this freaking watch. Does it sound like a Lamborghini yet? Like it's not really into stuff, right? Yeah, so it's hard to find him something. He's turning 50, so I'm like, I guess it's a pretty good year to buy something nice. But he was talking to me last time I saw him was probably like a month ago. He was looking at watches or just talking about watches. I was like, oh, maybe I'll get him a watch. It's a good time to start. We'll see if this sparks a love for watches for him.
I'm sure it will.
Yeah. It's a little tight.
It's a little bit tighter, yeah. So these we have to
manually.
Yeah, we have to do it manually.
This is freaking squeezing my hand. Yeah, it's such a nice,
clean look.
Yeah, very clean.
Yeah.
Hey, buddy. Which one? I'm gonna show you. You know, Faber hung up on me like 5 times.
Taylor just told me that. She said Faber keep hanging up on me. I think Josiah calling. She just told Faber to come bring me the phone.
So this is like a more subtle one, like the other one you liked, but it doesn't have the gold in it.
I like that one.
You like this one?
But do he wear gold?
That's my question, but I don't want to call him and ask him. But I think I'm trying to think what color his wedding ring is.
If he don't wear gold, I like that one with the blue.
It's not blue, it's gray.
Gray. Yeah, I like that.
You don't like this one?
I like that one. I like both. I just like the other one better.
Okay.
Huh?
All right.
All right.
All right, bro. Yeah, this one is really nice.
It's really nice.
I gotta make myself.
That's your style more than that.
Yeah, I would get something like this, but I'd probably go like an AP.
AP, okay.
For like the pop-out one.
Gold, yeah.
Just on, quick question. What color is Dad's wedding ring? Yeah, but I'm buying Dad a watch for his birthday.
AP?
No. One of these two.
I think it's the one on the right. I think it's the mixture of those two. Yeah.
Okay. He doesn't wear any silver?
I think he does wear silver.
I'm just trying to think which one would go with both. Or which one would he be able to wear like majority of the time?
Realistically, probably one on the left, I would, because it's a little bit more sleek.
Is he gonna wear it?
Yeah, because it might be too flashy.
I know what you mean, yeah.
But I'd want him to wear it. Maybe I'll just get this one. See if he likes it. If he wears it, I'll buy this one for him. And then he'll have both.
Yeah,
but I feel like Rolex is not even my style, though. Like, I feel like I wouldn't even buy a Rolex for myself. Yeah. I've never bought a watch for myself. This is the only watch I have.
You like?
Yeah. I think Rolex is, like, basic. Like, everybody goes Rolex.
Yeah, because it's the most, honestly, it's the most popular brand, you know?
Yeah.
So everybody wears Rolex. That's kind of their first watch. So yeah,
it's like going from a Timex to a Richard.
Exactly, there you go. You know?
Okay, so we have secured the package here. The big Rolex. I've actually never bought or seen a Rolex box ever in my entire life because nobody's ever bought me a Rolex. Anyways, nice little, we got all silver. I was gonna get the silver and gold. I really like the silver and gold, but everybody I asked said to get this one is a little bit plainer. It doesn't have the, I forget what he called it, the bezeled, the glittery bezel, whatever it's called, where it's like shimmers around the bezel. This is more like calm, straight to the point kind of thing. My dad's more of a simple kind of guy. So I think he'll really like this. Super nice watch here. Beautiful, beautiful watch. I think he'll really like it. Maybe this will start his addiction and then I'll buy him another one, or he'll buy me one. How about that? In all seriousness, it's super cool to be able to do something like this for your family. Like I said, he's turning the big 5-0, so I think it's a pretty big accomplishment. It's deserving of a gift like this. So I'm gonna package this up, send this over to my dad, because my parents still live in Jersey, so I have to ship it over to them. Hopefully it gets there. What happens if they lose it? no insurance. Right now, we're about to go, let's check on this trade, because last time, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, all right? So, complete transparency, we were up 800, up 900 at one point. We walked into the store, I looked at the trade, we were down close to full stop loss, and it absolutely hit full stop loss. So, we're not just down the amount of money that we spent on the watch, but we lost the trade as well. We're negative on the day, probably like $1,700, $1,800. We'll make it back tomorrow. We will make it back tomorrow. And the worst part, Kava has C+ rating or whatever. I don't even remember what the video is. I was gonna go get Kava, but they got like some type of thing came out that said that they're unhealthy and unsanitary and all this stuff. And I don't got time for that. So it looks like I'm fasting.
Yeah. Let's see.
So this is the one I decided to get.
Let's see. Yeah, I like this one. Wait, this the one you sent me?
What's wrong with it?
Nothing, it's nice.
Oh, yeah, that's the one I sent you.
Yeah, I like it. Did you ask your brother what color is your dad ring?
He couldn't give me a clear answer, so I don't know.
I like this though.
Yeah, it's nice, right?
Very nice. Ooh, look what daddy got G-pop. Look what we got G-pop. You like it?
Yeah.
What is this?
Huh? Yeah, watch.
What did she say?
She said phone. Say hi to the camera.
Say hi.
Oh no, it's just gliding. That Rolex don't tick. Yours ticking?
No, mine don't tick.
It's ticking.
No, it doesn't. Do you know what ticking looks
Oh,
like?
it
It looks like
don't.
this.
Yeah, yours
That's
don't
ticking.
either.
Yeah.
Yeah, I did that.
Dang, what's wrong with you? Yeah, I need to ship this out.
That looks really good. You gotta do a signature thing. You like the gift we got G-pop?
Yeah? Hey, come on,
Hey,
fingerprints
no
now.
fingerprints.
Hey, now watch now. Come on now, you're doing too much now. Too much. Close it.
Ooh, that one's got your finger.
No.
Oh, you grumpy?
No.
Then what are you?
Are you mad?
No.
You happy?
No.
What? Okay.
Brian can't help you.
All right. Oh, I lost my
That's
trade.
really nice. Huh?
What do you mean, huh?
You lost your trade? How?
Even if I paid attention, I can't
You
stop
need to
nothing.
stop trading when you leave.
I want all the traders to know, if you're trading right now, right, and you understand trading, you've been trading for a while and trying to get into it, never vent to your significant other about trading, because they'll never understand. They'll never understand. So never vent to them about it. This has been an ongoing thing with me and my wife. No matter how long I've been trading, she's
Just
always
saying.
gonna say, "You were up $100. You should have just closed it."
No,
Knowing I
be
was risking
telling them-
$4,000 on the trade, planning to make $8,000, $10,000.
Yeah.
Trust me,
If
just
it was
never
up to
vent
me,
to
he
them.
would take it out. As soon as it go green, take it out every time.
That's what I mean. Do not tell your peoples about your trading, and don't show them your trading. Even through the journey and the process, when you sucking and losing money, don't share it with them because they gonna tell you to
Why?
quit.
I didn't tell you to quit. Remember at the beginning when we lived in Tampa and you blew the account
Just stop. Go to
and
sleep.
you loaded it again and blew it again?
Just stop.
Yeah, I was still motivating you.
Anyways,
I've always been here for him. I've always been motivating him. I've always believed in
she
him.
trying to get a Rolex.
I don't gotta do that to get one. I'm about to push a baby out, so I'm hope you thinking about push gifts.
Yeah, the gift of a baby.
No! Josiah just be talking, y'all. He gets me whatever I want.
Just stop it.
And you know you do.
Close it. Just close it.
You want water?
This is for that one dude that stole my $200.
Dude, you got like 13.
Alexa, stop. Huh?
You got 13, bro.
I was 12. Like an idiot. Why do I fail at everything I'm on to? I know fix it. I know smart.
That is the end of my workout. I had to take a call in the middle of my workout, but you gotta do what you gotta do. Solid workout now. I am going to eat. I think I smell some food inside my house, if I'm being honest with you. So I'm hoping that my wife cooked up some good food. If y'all have been watching my videos, you guys know that my wife is an elite level chef. Literally has multiple offers from Gordon Ramsay himself to be head chef at every hell kitchen that he's ever opened up, but she politely declines it because she says, I only love cooking for my amazing, beautiful, handsome, awesome, super funny, cool husband named Josiah. And that's where I'm about to go eat her food and have a good time. So actually, let's see if she actually did cook, because I could be making this up. What the heck? Bro. A pot of water. More water. Some beans.
Get some hash browns.
What did I smell? Oh. Gordon, take away them emails. You want juice?
Yeah.
Say subscribe. No, say it louder. Anyways, y'all, my wife did end up cooking the food just in the air fryer. So I knew I smelled something. My nose would never lead me astray. And my 5-star Michelin chef wife would never lead me astray. But today has been full of meetings, losing money trading, being an unprofitable day trader, if you would, buying my dad a nice watch, working out, more meetings, more content, more meetings. This is really a typical life of what my day looks like for the most part. I don't always go and buy watches or whatever. This is literally the first time I've ever in my life bought a watch. Most of the time it consists of me making money day trading or sometimes losing money day trading, as I did today, as it happens to everybody, hanging with my family, eating good food, working out. This is a realistic day. I don't do any of the crazy stuff, the cold plunges. I don't do the ice baths. I don't do the red light therapy. I don't do none of that stuff. I kind of just have goals, hit the small steps to reach those ultimate big goals, go after them every single day. Now I'm about to eat this food though. I have more work to do. What happened?
Down.
Down? What you mean? You leaving?
Yeah.
Why? Say subscribe.
Get down.
You got, Fav, we gotta work on your pronunciations a little bit, okay? Okay? My bad. Yeah, I got some work I gotta handle right now, but I wanna eat this food, be able to relax for about an hour or so. Look over my trades. I actually need to journal my trades and make the video for today. I told you guys I record every single trade I take, wins or lose. I record it, do breakdowns, show my exact thought process on my other channel. The other channel is called Joovier's Trades. I'd suggest y'all go subscribe to it. But if you guys wanna learn, dang, Faber, what's up? Up? But if you guys want to learn how to start day trading, I literally made an entire free course right here. I suggest you watch it right now. It'll literally teach you everything you need to know. It's 2.5 hours, completely free. I literally made this video much better than what other people are charging thousands of dollars for. So if you're interested in getting started day trading and making money day trading, I'll see you all in this video.